What's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to get massive views by getting your videos ranked in YouTube's search results. So that way your videos can get views for months and even years to come. And real quick, just to show you how effective this method is, I use this all the time and you can see the results right here. Where in my video analytics you can see 787,000 views, over 500,000 views, over 500,000 views, over 500,000 views. So this is the type of things that I do. And so what I'm going to show you today is how I was able to get these views on these videos. And if we head over to YouTube, I'll prove this to you even further, because we're going to actually go ahead and search here live for some of my videos using YouTube search results by simply typing in things that people would normally type if they were looking for my type of content. So that would be, let's say, how to get subscribers, and you can see it's already auto-filling. So this is a very popular search term as YouTube completes this with the autocomplete, which we're going to touch on here again in a minute. But how to get subscribers on YouTube fast. So this is a popular search term. So when they click on that or they search that, these are all ads, as you can see. And then right here, number one video, that's one of my videos I got over 500,000 views on, and it's still ranking number one. Now, of course, I have videos that rank for all sorts of different variations of how to get subscribers and how to get views, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So watch this video. And not only that, I have a bonus tip for you to help you get the most out of this method, so make sure you stick around for that. And if you're interested in growing on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and set notifications, because I share the same methods. I used to grow multiple channels across various niches, and as you can see, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers on this channel alone. And so I'm always sharing the best tools and tactics that I test for you, and then I only share the ones that actually works with you. So if growing on YouTube is your thing, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So one of the first things I want you to do is you're going to play around with the YouTube search results. And so what we're going to look at right now, let's assume you're in the gaming niche, and let's say you're in the most competitive niche there is, Fortnite. And so if we go to YouTube and we just type in something like Fortnite, right now there's probably thousands and thousands of Fortnite related videos being uploaded to YouTube. So daily. So if your plan is just to put up a Fortnite video and that's all you're going to title it is just Fortnite, it's so competitive, you're not going to do very well, because it's going to be like finding a needle in a haystack for someone to find your content amongst all the other thousands of videos that are already being uploaded today. And so this goes with any niche. Every niche is going to have something that's competitive within that niche, a keyword that is competitive. So what you want to do then is find longer tail keywords, and I'll explain that here, what that is right now. Now if we play around a little bit, as I showed you before, if we've hit space, YouTube's going to try to help us and save us some time by saying, hey, what are you looking for? Well, these are some popular search terms, and it's going to use its autocomplete feature. So Fortnite, I hit space, it says, hey, are you looking for item shop? Are you looking for season 7 montage? So YouTube is telling us these are popular search results right now in real time on YouTube, which is a good thing, because that means if you did content relating to these currently popular search terms, you could do very well. And since this is longer, this is Fortnite's the root keyword, these extra words makes this a long tail keyword. It's more likely that you're going to do better, because people that are searching specifically for that topic, like item shop, are going to have a much easier time finding your video, because your video is going to be titled Fortnite item shop. You might have Fortnite item shop tags, and you're going to have Fortnite item shop listed in your description somewhere. And I hope you would. That's the idea of getting YouTube to rank your videos. We're going to take this a little step farther, and let's type in the letter A. So now YouTube is bringing up all of the popular search terms related to Fortnite currently that start with the letter A. So Fortnite A, Fortnite August 17th. I don't know what that means, other than that's tomorrow's date. So maybe it's people looking for anything updated to Fortnite related tomorrow. But Fortnite Ariana Grande, Fortnite Arena, Alien Artifacts. So even if you're just looking for ideas, if you're in the Fortnite niche and you're not coming up with any ideas on your own, this is a great way to research ideas. We can do this through the whole alphabet. We can take this back to Fortnite B. Fortnite Balls, don't know what that means, maybe you do. Fortnite Battle Pass, Beast Boy, Balls Kanye East, and so on. So these are all great ideas. Best controller settings, maybe we'll play with that here in a second. Or we could just go Fortnite Best, and now it's going to bring up Fortnite Best controller settings, moment settings. So playing around like this gives you these great ideas and these longer tail keywords, which again is going to make it easier for your video to get discovered and ranked on YouTube. I'm going to show you one more trick, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So if we go before Fortnite and we can type in a special character like the £, it will bring up keywords before Fortnite popular search terms. So again, Ariana Grande, it puts it before Fortnite. Here's Sunday, Fortnite, USCB Radio, Fortnite, Alien Artifacts, Fortnite, Destroy Spooky TV Sets, Fortnite. So again, YouTube is looking on its platform, the algorithm is, and it's saying, well, what comes before? What are people searching for before the word Fortnite that's popular right now? It's giving you that as well. You can take this a step further and type in a letter and then a space. So now it's going to say, okay, it's going to autofill in between here. So we have a body scanner in Fortnite, a fashion show in Fortnite. So you get the idea. This is great for coming up with ideas, and it's also great for coming up with long tail keywords that's going to help you rank in YouTube. So let's go back with this other idea of Fortnite best controller settings. So here we go, step number 2. We've got our idea. We've got this longer tail keyword. It's going to be easier to rank for. Let's go ahead and click on that. So the next thing you want to do is take note of the thumbnails. So these search results, YouTube is ranking them, and one of the other key factors is then click-through rate. So once YouTube says, hey, let's try this out, let's try this video you uploaded for these search results, the next thing YouTube's going to want to look at is, out of these search results, how often are people clicking on your video over other videos in here? And so these top few videos are the top videos for these search results because they're also getting the top click-through rate. And so what you would do then is look at the thumbnails and say, oh, what type of thumbnails are doing really, really well right now? Well, look at this thumbnail. It's very cool looking. It's got this kind of blurred outer area and then the clear focus on the inner area. So it has this aperture effect. The same thing down here, a blurred outer area, a focused inner area, same thing, blurred around the outside. So it's a very interesting look, and I can see why people would want to click on that. It just makes it look very clickable. Then of course, if you look here in their title, they've got these little stars by best. They've got best all in caps. So these are all clues for you. And here's another one, new best all in caps. These things draw the eye and attract attention. And so this YouTuber posted this one day ago, 20,000 views. This other YouTuber, the same type of thumbnail, right? This person's doing what I'm telling you right now. And also look at new best, 4 days ago, 45,000 views. So this YouTuber obviously posted there first. So this YouTuber said, wow, that thumbnail is killing it, and the way this title is structured is killing it. I'm gonna do the same thing. And you can see what I'm telling you works. They're ranked #1 with this thumbnail and this title set up the way it is. Okay, next I'm gonna give you the bonus tip that's gonna take this to the next level. But just to recap, the first thing again you're gonna wanna do is do a little research, play around with the search field up here, let YouTube's algorithm point you in the right direction with longer tail keywords. The next thing you're gonna do is use that longer tail keyword and put it in your title, put it in your description, and use it in your tags. This again all tells YouTube what that video is about and helps YouTube decide where to place that video on its platform. And then before you create your thumbnail, before you construct your title, go ahead and do a little reconnaissance mission and check out what is ranking currently and what they've done, and look at their thumbnails and their titles, because click-through rate is going to be huge. And as I just showed you here in this real life example, here's somebody with a really cool looking thumbnail that modeled their thumbnail off of this thumbnail, and you can see they're both doing very, very well. And the same with their title. So again, one YouTuber is just looking at another YouTuber's results, seeing what's working, and just modeling theirs after the other YouTubers. Now, as long as you're doing your own content, making your own thumbnail, that's cool. Don't be ripping off other people's content though, otherwise you could probably get banned from YouTube. I wouldn't suggest doing that, but modeling it or getting ideas and making your own version of it, that's fine. Now time for the bonus tip, and not a lot of people know about this. I'm actually one of the only people that I've ever seen cover this information. But if you go into your YouTube studio and then you go down to analytics and you click on that, then you go down to see more and you click on that, go over here to traffic source, click on traffic source, and then finally YouTube search. And so this is gold right here. YouTube is giving you on a silver platter, and a lot of people don't even realize this, right here YouTube is giving you, hey, when people search for these terms, we're showing them your videos. These are where your search traffic is coming from. So just from this one term alone, for the last 28 days, 8,000 views related to this term, this search term. And so all these are, like I said, are given to you on a silver platter. These are all filled with keywords that your channel is doing very well with, that YouTube is sharing your content with. And so then what I would do is I would double down on these topics and these long-tailed key phrases. So let's say you posted 10 different videos and then you came in here and you started looking and you said, oh, the search traffic that is bringing me the most views is, let's say it was the best controller settings for building in Fortnite or whatever it happened to be. But you can double down and triple down on these search terms, create videos specifically focused on those topics, and get your videos ranked. And then as I showed you, that can result in your videos generating you traffic to your channel for months and even years to come. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.